Good morning, children. Let us start quadratic equations. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not 0, is called quadratic equation in variable x. The roots of the quadratic equation we can find out either by splitting the middle term or by this formula, which is minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. D is called b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. And you know that, which you have done in class 10, if d is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. If d equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If d less than 0, then roots are complex and distinct. But you have done in 10th class, if d is less than 0, then no real roots. No real roots means roots are complex. Now you know what is complex number. That's why we can find out roots in case of d less than 0. Let us discuss some examples based on this. Number 1, x square plus 8 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in which we can write a, which is coefficient of x square 1, b, which is coefficient of x, which is not here, that is 0, c, which is equal to 8, and d is b square minus 4ac. Let us substitute the values of a, b, c. By solving it, we are getting minus 32. Now we have to find out root d, because in the formula you can see here it is root d. And how to find out root? See here, minus 32's root, how we can write it? Minus 1 into 32. It can be separated like this. Root minus 1 is iota, and 32 can be factorized like this. You know. So in this way, we can find out root of negative number. And using it, we can find out the roots of the quadratic equation. See here, x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a, in which we can substitute the values of a, b, and d. By substituting the value, you can see here we are getting plus minus 4 root 2 iota upon 2. 2 is cancelled with this, and the values of x are 2 root 2 iota and minus 2 root 2 iota, which are called roots of the quadratic equation. Now, next question, you can see here, again we are having a quadratic equation in which we can write a 1, b 3, and c is 9, and b square minus 4ac is minus 27. Root of minus 27 again can be written as 27 into minus 1. Root minus 1 is iota, and 27 root is 3 root 3. Let us substitute the values of a, b, and d, and we are getting roots of the quadratic equation, that is minus 3 plus minus root 3 iota upon 2, which can be written as like this also. We can write plus sign and minus sign separately. Now we are having two roots. In this way, we can find out roots of the quadratic equation, which are in the form of a complex number. On the basis of it, you can try this. That is exercise 5.3 from NCERT and these questions. In the last question, I have given to you some hint which you can use for it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.